Hello! New day, new bahay. Tara! So this house is located in Enclave Subdivision, Angeles City, near Clark. So as you enter, meron tayong dalawang parking for big SUV and meron tayong dipping pool right here. And dito sa side na to, meron tayong garden. And pwede tayo maglagay ng coffee table here. Going to dirty kitchen na po dito. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Pasok na tayo sa loob, guys. So, as you enter, itong bonggang high ceiling ang sasalubong sa'yo with your L-shaped leather sofa. Yan. May AC na. May TV na. And all na nakikita nyo sa house tour na to is kasama po. And meron ka pang malaking space here. Meron na rin tayong 8-seater square dining table. And meron po tayong powder room dito sa baba. Here is your powder room. Meron na rin siyang shower. And here, meron pong guest room dito sa baba. Ang ganda ng guest room. Para kang nasa hotel vibe. Or what you call this, elderly room. Hotel vibe, para siyang Marriott room. Meron na siyang built-in cabinet and sariling toilet and bath. Very luxurious ng design. And here is your kitchen. Sobrang ganda ng kitchen. So, lahat yan included. Meron siyang cabinets. Gaganda. And modular. So, soft close lahat. And dito ang yung dirty kitchen. Straight to the parking to sa labas para kapag namalengke ka, dito ka na lang dumaan straight to your kitchen. Diba? Ang ganda ng kitchen niya. Very lang ng kulay. Akit na tayo sa taas. We're going to the second floor. Sa second floor po, we have 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms. Ganda ng chandelier. So, una tayo here. So, here is your first bedroom. Hotel vibe. O parang sa hotel, pang short time joke. Meron na siyang TV. Tapos, another room here. Oh, eto, super deluxe. So, lahat po yan included. Ang ganda ng ng bed frame. May kasama na siyang toilet and bath. So, parang junior suite na room to. May balcony pala siya. Meron siyang balcony here. Yan. Pakita natin yung balcony. So, pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table mo dyan. Para dyan ka nagko-coffee in the morning. And, punta tayo sa third room. And here is your third room. Ang ganda ng third room. You have your vanity table here. And built-in cabinet. Ang ganda ng design. Pareho lang yung niya, mga bed frame sa other room. Okay, punta na tayo sa... Anyway, dito sa second floor, meron pang another family area. Here is your family area. Diba? Kung ayaw mong bumaba, dito ka na lang, nood ka ng TV, and have your work done right here. Super cozy. Ang ganda ng paligid. Kita yung chandelier from here. And yung napakagandang wall accent. Diba? This is it. This is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is pointing east. So, ano siya? Morning sun. Para paghapon, hindi na siya mainit. Sobrang malamig na siya. Dahil morning sun ang master bedroom natin. Same with the other room. Ganda ng bed frame. There's a reeling TV. And here is your walk-in closet. Gandang walk-in closet. And your bathroom. Okay, ganda, di ba? So, yung price nito, ipopost ko na rin po sa YouTube account namin. Dito tayo sa chandelier. Ang ganda kasi dito. So, guys, if you want to view this house, please call the number above. Follow me on my YouTube channel. And see you on my next house tour. Bye-bye!